Hello guys, so as you can see from the video, them are in Memorial Hospital in Orifite, Anambra State. They have successfully done the first open heart surgery and it is free. They are doing these operations free on patients that are having heart problem. That was why we deemed it fit last week to go to the hospital and donate blood for these people, for these patients. That was the least we could do for humanity. And you can still do same. You can still do same. These are the kind of people that we need in our society. You know, when you have money, you can contribute to the welfare of people that surround you, that are having issues, that cannot afford to take care of their health issues. So you can still go down there in the hospital and donate blood. They're going to carry a free